I burned in your fire. My nation, like a devoted moth, the moth stays by the flame, but I wander afar in misery. Is it worse to burn within the fire, or a huge side of it? With so many fires blazing, how can my people endure? If I die together with you, I would have no regrets beside my nation. Do not deny your nation. Oh, my woo girl, let me depart in peace. A calamity has struck us, smoke has covered the homeland. My swords no longer cut, even my whores would not charge. Let me speak, my pain cannot be contained within. My sorrows pile upon sorrows, never letting me sleep. So lately never says the struggle day and night. He was born, ooh girl, never abandoning her identity. Do not deny your nation. No, my woo girl, let me depart in peace. We guarded our own homes, yeah, we wept within them. They built prisons and confined my people on our homeland. They forced the mullah to drink wine during the fasting month. Red flowed instead of water across the land. Not songs but cries echo at my dafters' weddings. Our enemies itch to annihilate us, for they know heroism lives within the Uyghur red. Do not deny your nation. No, my woo girl, let me depart in peace. Out of fear, the enemy treats the Uyghur as a state. They cut the tongue, restrict speech, shackle the feet, because your nation is noble and heroic. If you live as a Uyghur, your enemy will be in despair. That is why the enemy destroys you, fearing you will build a homeland. But my people, why do you suffer so in trembling? Do not deny your nation. Oh, my Uyghur, let me depart in peace. Now my Uyghur has awakened to build Uyghur to establish a state in the name of the nation. Rising up now to form an army to stand against the enemy, to achieve victory and force the enemy to bow, to cleanse the homeland with red, letting the enemy's red flow. Do not deny your nation, oh my Uyghur, let me depart in peace. My Uyghur once became a Kagan, funding many kingdoms, riding horses and wielding swords, chasing down enemy sins and sin times the people have none. The Uyghur nation. From this Uyghur oasis, the enemy once built their walls, and now shamelessly you hesitate to call yourself Uyghur. Do not deny your nation, oh my Uyghur, let me depart in peace. Grand Layli permission to die as a Uyghur. Do not deny your nation. No, my Uyghur, let me depart in peace. Grand Layli permission to die as a Uyghur.